Hi there, welcome to our channel. So in this video we will see how to set up all-in-one Pixel app within your Shopify store. So once you install the app, this is the very first screen that you will see right on your system. So before we start with the setup process, I just want to share that this is the free version of the app that we are going to see how to set it up in your Shopify store. So as you see, the very first option is Google Tag Manager, wherein we have two options. First is default Conversios container, which is available with the free version and the premium version as well. But the second option is only available with the premium version of the app. So let's go ahead with the default version. Now the next option is Google Analytics 4. So here we have to add the measurement ID. So you need to just paste the measurement ID of your desired Google Analytics 4 account. Similarly, we need to do the same with Google Ads. Here we need to add the remarketing ID followed by conversion labels. So add to cart, begin checkout and purchase conversion label IDs. We need to add the Facebook Pixel ID and conversion API token as well. There are multiple other Pixel options like TikTok, Snapchat, Microsoft, Pinterest, Hotjar, Twitter and Crazy Egg as well. So if you have these Pixel IDs, you can add the IDs and hit on save and next button. Let's go ahead with the setup. Now as the next step, we have to go ahead with the plan activation. So if you see, there are two options, monthly and annually. And in monthly, we have free, starter and growth plan. These plan varies based on the number of orders that you are going to get on monthly basis. So with the free version, you get 10 orders per month, with starter 250 and with growth it is 1000 orders per month. Let's go ahead and start with the free version. Click on approve. As the next step, we have to enable checkout purchase events. So we just need to click on copy code. So the code is copied and click on settings, customer events. Now let's add custom pixel. So add a name of pixel name, add the pixel name and just paste the code that we have copied in the last step. Hit save and connect. Once this is done, you can simply close this tab, enable this checkbox and click on finish button. Congratulations, your app setup is complete. As this is the free version of the app, there are some certain restrictions with the functionality and features as well. So let's see what are the restrictions. Let's go to explore reports. Now, so to explore the report, you need to log in with your Google account and continue. Okay, as you see, I have logged in with my Google account. Now let's select the account ID and similarly the measurement ID as well. Once you are logged in with your Gmail address, you will be able to see reports right on your screen. So in GA4 e-commerce report, you will see total orders, total order value, average order value, conversion rate and certain other metrics which are available in the reporting section for this app. Apart from that, we have GA4 real-time, Google Ads and Meta Ad Insights report as well. As this is the free version of the app, the only report which is available is GA4 e-commerce report. If you want to go ahead and explore these reports, you can switch to the premium version of the app. Well, this is all for the setup for all-in-one Pixel app in your Shopify store. For more such contents and videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.